presenting a pre-owned 2009 Lexus LS. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 148,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include comfort package, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.